are you doing? What are you rolling your feet for? That's okay. It's actually okay. We'll allow rolling the feet because with the feet, you want them to be strong and durable, and you want to make sure that you are getting some desensitization into them. It's a real word, go look it up. Desensitize your feet so that they can actually take the punishment that you want to put them through. So just walking around in your bare feet on a wooden floor, for example, without even using the ball, and just rocking your feet in and out like this, and just getting used to them being mushed into hard surfaces and the floor like this, okay? So this is where you want to start with this stuff. You can keep using the ball as well, it's okay. We allow that one, But the main things that you want to be thinking about whenever it comes to your feet is having strong feet. So one of the first exercises that you want to make sure that you can do is to be able to lift up the big toe by itself on each foot with the little toes staying pressed into the ground without doing any kind of mad sort of cheating like rolling your foot over to the side. The other thing you want to do is the opposite variation of that, which is keeping the big toes pushed into the ground while lifting up all the little toes. That's where you want to start first of all. Start to work on that, see how high you can get them up. If you can't do it at all, don't worry, it just takes a bit of practice. It'll feel like you're trying to bend spoons with your mind at first, but it takes a bit of practice and you'll be absolutely fine with it over time. And you'll start to feel it in the arch of your foot as well. This is my hand foot, by the way. Work on that, you're going to start to build strength. Also just curling your toes, scrunching your toes up and making your feet almost cramp if you can. Start to work on that. Spread the toes as much as you can as well, really spread the toes. Get your feet moving, okay? So get the muscles in your feet actually moving. Next thing you want to work on is your balance. So can you just lift up one leg and stand on one leg with no issues whatsoever? That's something that you want to check. You want to find this so easy that if I was to go at Jenny, that she wouldn't fall over, okay? And then you want to try that on the other leg. And if she's rocking around like a mad thing and she's having problems with that one foot, that could be the reason. So you want to work on that first of all, but if you've got that down, you've got the gains from it, let's make it a bit harder. Now, this is hilariously hard, this one, so what Jenny's going to do is combine the toe stuff with balance. So here's the rules. We'll try first without the toes. She's going to lift one leg up, she's going to put it in front of her. She's then going to go into a single leg deadlift, put the leg behind her. She's then going to bring that foot out to the side without kicking me in the face. Well done, Jenny. And then she's going to go back to neutral again. She's going to try it on the other leg. You guys are going to try this as well. Dead simple, no equipment needed. So out in front, into a single leg deadlift. The leg that's still on the ground, you want to be able to feel the hamstring. And then out to the side. Now, let's try with a toe up. So Jenny's going to try, she's going to lift the big toe up on her right leg. She's going to try and do the exact same thing, but with a toe missing. So infinitely harder. And again, have a bit of fun with it. There we go. If you fall, it's absolutely fine. It is a lot harder. Try it out, you will see. Nice. And then we'll try we'll do the other leg. We'll let Jenny off, we'll do the other leg, but she has to keep the big toe pressed in now with the little toes up. And she's going to go out to the front, out to the side. Nice.
Oh, that's good.
There we go. Lost the toes. So that's something to play with. Again, don't take it too seriously. Spend a bit of time on it and play with it. The longer that you actually do that with, and like I said, have that bit of fun with it, the more benefits you're going to get as you start to get a bit better at it. As silly as it is, that's going to give you more strength. It's going to give you more stability, and it's going to make your feet be able to cope with a lot more stuff, okay? So if you really enjoy running and you find that your feet are just not able to cope with running, this is the stuff that's really going to help, okay? So it's going to make you absorb impact better. It's going to just make them more durable, and it's going to make everything in your body stronger as well. Everything starts with your feet, everything travels from up there. So the more strength you have in the feet, the more stability you're going to have in your ankles, your knees, your hips, and your lower back as well. There's lots of benefits, different benefits to this stuff. So keep rolling your feet if you must, but start to work on this stuff. If you really suck at this stuff, that's where you want to be hanging out. Okay, guys?